with Tassie!
Hello, terrific learners! Are you ready for our next letter? It's the tremendous letter T. Say it with me. T, T, T. Use uppercase T. Tall and straight. And here's lowercase t. T is for turtle, slow and steady. Taco, tasty and fun. Tree, reaching for the sun. Let's trace the letter T together. Ready? Straight down, then across the top. That's uppercase T.
T's for turtle, tiny and sweet. Tacos are yummy, what a treat. Trees grow tall, so strong and true. T is terrific for me and you.
Terrific job, friends! You learned the tremendous letter T. Keep trying to find T words every day. And we'll see you next time for more alphabet adventures.